Are you tired of buying expensive matcha lattes at the cafe, only to realize they taste like sugary milk or worse, grassy dirt? Stick around because I've spent weeks testing the most popular matcha powders on the market to find out which ones actually deliver that perfect, vibrant, umami-rich cup. Seven, Kiyo Matcha Classic. When I first got my hands on this tin, I was genuinely excited by the elegant packaging and the bold claims of it being a premium ceremonial-grade powder. However, my excitement quickly faded as soon as I opened the seal and caught my first glimpse of the product. True ceremonial matcha should boast a vibrant, almost neon green hue, but the Kiyo Classic leaned heavily toward a dull, yellowish-brown tone that immediately signaled oxidation or a lower-quality harvest. Upon testing it with a traditional bamboo whisk, I found the powder incredibly stubborn. Even after sifting it thoroughly and whisking vigorously, I was left with tiny, bitter clumps floating at the bottom of my tea bowl. This lack of smooth blendability makes it incredibly frustrating if you're trying to enjoy a quick, relaxing morning ritual before heading out to work. The flavor profile is where the Kiyo Classic truly disappointed me. Instead of the rich, sweet umami flavor you expect from a ceremonial tea, this one hits your palate with a sharp, astringent bitterness that is hard to ignore. I tried adjusting the water temperature and ratio, but the harsh, almost fishy aftertaste persisted every single time. While you could theoretically mask the intense bitterness by blending it into a heavily sweetened smoothie or a baked good, drinking it straight with water is simply not an enjoyable experience. If a company labels their product as ceremonial grade, it should be smooth enough to drink entirely on its own. Ultimately, I cannot recommend Kiyo Matcha Classic for anyone looking for an authentic, high-quality daily matcha. The price tag suggests a premium experience, but the dull color, clumpy texture, and overly bitter taste make it fall completely flat. 6. Matchabar Matcha Powder. Matchabar has built a massive amount of hype online, marketing themselves heavily to the trendy, fast-paced cafe crowd. I really wanted to love this one, especially given their fun branding, but my hands-on testing revealed that it does not quite live up to its lofty reputation. The first thing I noticed was the aroma, or rather the lack of it. A high-quality matcha should hit your nose with a fresh, sweet, and grassy scent that awakens the senses, but the Matchabar powder smelled surprisingly flat and stale. When you are paying a premium price for ceremonial-grade green tea, you expect a sensory experience right out of the tin, and this one severely under-delivered. Mixing this powder presented another set of challenges. While it wasn't quite as clumpy as the Kiyo, it still required an unusual amount of effort to achieve that beautiful frothy layer on top. I noticed a slightly gritty texture in the back of my throat after taking a sip, which tells me the leaves were not stone ground finely enough during the manufacturing process. The taste is passable, but it leans far too heavily on the earthy, grassy side, without offering any of the natural sweetness or umami complexity that balances a great matcha. There is a noticeable acidic tang right at the end of every sip that completely overpowers the delicate green tea notes. If you plan to make a latte with oat milk and vanilla syrup, this might work, but it lacks the depth required to stand alone as a traditional tea. For the premium price point Matchabar commands, you are essentially paying for the brand name and the stylish packaging, rather than the quality of the tea itself. 5. Ippodo En Matcha Green Tea. Now this one is a bit of a departure from the traditional ceremonial powders because it is actually a pre-sweetened blend, but I felt it absolutely deserved a spot on this list for its sheer convenience and reliability. Ippodo En is a legendary name in the Japanese green tea world, and their expertise truly shines through in this accessible everyday product. I tested this powder by making a quick iced matcha latte, and I was immediately impressed by how effortlessly it dissolves. Because it is formulated with a superfine sugar blend, you do not even need a bamboo whisk or a frother to get a perfectly smooth beverage. A simple spoon and a quick stir in cold milk or water gets the job done perfectly. The flavor profile is incredibly pleasant and deeply comforting. It delivers a very distinct, authentic roasted green tea flavor that perfectly balances the built-in sweetness without ever tasting artificial or cloying. It is reminiscent of the delicious, creamy green tea lattes you might get at high-end Asian bakeries or specialty bubble tea shops. Of course, purists looking to perform a traditional tea ceremony will want to look elsewhere, as the added sugar makes it unsuitable for making kocha or straight usucha. However, for the busy professional or student who wants a delicious cafe-quality matcha latte in under 30 seconds, this product is an absolute game-changer. Overall, the Ippodo sweetened matcha is a fantastic, versatile staple to keep in your kitchen. It is perfect for baking, mixing into yogurt, or whipping up a sweet afternoon pick-me-up, offering incredible consistency and a genuinely great taste every single time. 4. Jade Leaf Matcha's standard culinary and latte grade. If you are looking for an everyday workhorse that provides exceptional value without completely sacrificing quality, this is the powder you need. Jade Leaf has built an incredible reputation for sourcing organic Japanese teas, and this particular offering is a staple for a reason. During my testing, I found this powder to be incredibly versatile. While it is not strictly a ceremonial grade meant for drinking just with water, it possesses a remarkably robust and bold flavor that easily punches through milk, sweeteners, and protein powders. It creates the most magnificent, rich green smoothies that leave you feeling energized and refreshed. The color is a surprisingly bright, healthy green for a culinary grade, which speaks volumes about Jade Leaf's sourcing and storage methods. Unlike cheaper culinary matchas that turn a swampy brown, this one retains a vibrant hue that makes your baked goods, pancakes, and lattes look beautifully appetizing and fresh. Taste-wise, it carries a slightly stronger, more astringent green tea bite than a ceremonial powder. But in this context, that is actually a massive advantage. When you mix it with almond milk or oat milk, that bold earthiness stands tall, ensuring your latte actually tastes like matcha, rather than just faintly green-tinted milk. For the price, the Jade Leaf Standard Matcha offers an unbeatable combination of quantity and quality. It is the perfect entry point for anyone who wants to start incorporating the health benefits of matcha into their daily diet without completely breaking the bank. 3. Encha Matcha, Ceremonial Grade. Now we are getting into the truly elite territory of green teas. Encha is famous for sourcing their tea directly from an organic farm in Uji, Japan, and the moment you open the beautiful, minimalist packaging, you know you are dealing with a top-tier product. The aroma of Encha is absolutely intoxicating. It smells like a fresh spring meadow, bursting with a sweet, floral, and deeply grassy fragrance that instantly calms the mind. The powder itself is incredibly fine, almost like powdered sugar, and it boasts a brilliant, glowing emerald color that indicates an exceptionally high level of chlorophyll and L-theanine. Whisking this matcha is an absolute dream. It froths up instantly, creating a thick, luxurious, and velvety crema on top of the tea that lingers until your very last sip. There is absolutely no grittiness or clumping. It suspends perfectly in hot water, resulting in a delightfully smooth and consistent texture. The taste is where Encha truly blows the competition out of the water. It is incredibly complex, offering a deep, savory umami richness, followed by a lingering, natural sweetness that coats your tongue. There is absolutely zero bitterness, meaning you can, and should, enjoy this one simply with hot water to truly appreciate its delicate nuances. If you are a matcha purist who treats their morning tea as a meditative ritual, Encha Ceremonial Grade is a phenomenal choice. It provides a steady, clean energy boost and a world-class tasting experience that easily justifies its premium price tag. 2. Matcha DNA Organic Certified Matcha Powder. I was absolutely blown away by the performance of this product, especially considering it is often priced more competitively than some of the heavily marketed brands. Matcha DNA has created an incredibly pure, high-quality powder that hits all the right notes for both beginners and seasoned connoisseurs alike. Right out of the bag, the vibrant color and soft, powdery texture promise a fantastic cup of tea. It is certified organic, which is a massive plus for those of us who consume matcha daily and want to ensure we are not ingesting any harmful pesticides or heavy metals. Knowing it is sustainably grown and carefully tested gives you great peace of mind with every single sip. When I tested this for a traditional hot tea, I found the frothing capability to be spectacular. With just a few quick Z motions of my bamboo whisk, I achieved a dense, beautifully bubbled layer of foam that tasted incredibly creamy. The powder dissolves effortlessly, leaving no residue at the bottom of the cup, which is a hallmark of excellent stone grinding techniques. The flavor profile is astonishingly smooth. It perfectly walks the line between a robust, earthy green tea and a delicate, sweet umami flavor. It lacks the sharp bite of lower-grade teas, offering instead a mellow, buttery finish that feels incredibly soothing. It works just as beautifully in a hot water preparation as it does in a delicate, unsweetened almond milk latte. Matcha DNA is an absolute powerhouse in the green tea market. It delivers consistently high-quality, delicious, and vibrant matcha that punches way above its weight class. If you want top-tier quality without the absolute highest price tag, this is an incredible option to keep stocked in your pantry. 1. Jade Leaf Matcha Organic Ceremonial Grade. This product is, without a single doubt, the absolute best matcha you can currently buy. Jade Leaf has managed to capture the absolute pinnacle of Japanese tea craftsmanship and deliver it in an accessible, consistently perfect package that outshines every other brand on this list. The visual and olfactory experience of this matcha is simply unmatched. The powder is an almost luminous electric green, showcasing the absolute finest first harvest leaves that have been expertly shade-grown to maximize their nutrient density. The scent is remarkably fresh, emitting a deeply sweet, toasted aroma that practically begs to be brewed immediately. When it comes to preparation, the Jade Leaf Organic Ceremonial Grade behaves flawlessly. The incredibly fine milling process means the powder melts seamlessly into the water, requiring very little effort to produce a thick, vibrant, and long-lasting froth. Every single bowl I prepared during my testing was texturally perfect, velvety smooth, and entirely free of any harsh graininess. The flavor is an absolute masterpiece of balance. It hits your palate with a profound, rich umami depth that is quickly followed by a crisp, refreshing sweetness. It is so inherently smooth and naturally sweet that adding any milk or sugar feels like a disservice to the beautiful complexity of the tea. It provides an immediate sense of calm focus, delivering the exact kind of sustained, jitter-free energy that makes matcha so highly sought after. The Jade Leaf Organic Ceremonial Grade achieves the ultimate trifecta: impeccable taste, flawless texture, and stunning color, all sourced organically from family farms in Japan. If you want the definitive, absolute best matcha experience available today, this is the only one you need to buy.